What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I've been reading those comments. You guys have been asking about all the numbers on the brand new Z06. So we're going to go over all the options, the numbers, my payments, everything. I've got the window sticker here. I've got all the paperwork. But before we do that, we're going to do a little garage makeover. We got Corey from Paragon Performance coming this weekend. We're going to be installing a bunch of parts. Before he gets here, I want to get this place spruced up a little bit. I want to get it lit up a little better. So I've got some paint left over from inside the house. I'm going to get on the walls, and then I've got some lights we're going to put up on the ceiling. Guys, I think I picked the hottest day in Florida to do this. The paint is done. Now to install the lights. After a couple hours, a couple of t-shirt changes, and a much needed shower, she's done. Honestly, it's like a showroom floor now. It's so bright in here. For a little bit of a contrast, this is what it looked like before. Check it out. You can still see, but it's pretty dark. But this now, oh yeah. I still need to put those wires up. All right, now for the juicy stuff. We got the window sticker, we got some paperwork. We're working with the 2023 Z06 Coupe 1LZ. We got black exterior, black interior. They all have the 5.5 liter V8 with the 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Really quick, let's look at the gas mileage. We got 12 in the city, 21 on the highway. I thought it was 19, so it's better than I thought. With a combined of 15 miles to the gallon. We're at 2 on the fuel economy and greenhouse gas rating and a 3 on the smog rating. So all the cars come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. We all get the 5-year, 16,000 mile powertrain warranty. First maintenance is included. So when you guys get your Corvettes, your C8s, or your Z06s, you get an oil change and you get a DCT filter and transmission fluid change. So that's really nice. They all come with the stability and traction control, driver mode selector. That allows you to change from touring to sport to track. They all come with 21-inch wheels. These are not them. These are an upgraded option. They all come with magnetic selective ride control, which allows you guys to change from softer to more firm suspension. You also get the ELSD differential. Looks like all Z06s come with their own performance brakes, heavy duty cooling system, which is that new radiator in the middle of your front bumper, and the new radiator on the driver's side intake. And then of course the Z06 performance exhaust. On the inside, we've got Chevrolet's infotainment 3+ 8-inch high-def touchscreen. We also have a Bose premium 10-speaker sound system, a driver customizable infotainment center that measures about 12 inches diagonal, remote start capability. The car now has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so now you don't have to wire it in anymore, which is really nice. All C8s come with heads-up display, which I did not know. That is a really nice option to include. Even though this car is a coupe, it's actually a convertible as well. This top does pop off. We have power heated outside adjustable mirrors with turn indicators, and then of course we got LED headlamps. The Z06 comes with its own rear spoiler, composite splitter, and rockers. I love the new rockers. And then as for safety, we got the rear park assist, theft deterrent system, and then of course the HD rear vision camera when you put it in reverse. My car, I only put 2 options on it. We got the machine faced wheels for $1,500, and then we painted the brake calipers for $700. Total in options, we're looking at $4,800. Total vehicle and options, you're looking at $110,090. Got a destination charge, which is $1,400, for a total of $111,485 even. Fortunately, that was not the total cost for the brand new Z06. There's a few extra charges in there. We've got a $9.99 pre-delivery service charge, a $2.89 electronic registration filing fee. I did elect for the wheel and tire package. It only came out to $1,016 for 72 months. months for $1,000. If I get a nail or anything happens to these wheels and tires, we're getting free tires. And these things are not cheap. I want to say the 4S's were about $600 to $700 a piece. And then if you have the Cup 2s, they're closer to $1,000. Then you got to throw some sales tax in there. We got almost $7,000 in sales tax, $50 in county tax, $83 for registration. Total cash price, we're looking at $120,759. Luckily, I had a down payment of $500 from when we reserved the car, so I only had to pay a total of $120,259.13. How did I pay for it? Well, I put down another $259.13 and financed the rest. My loan for the car, we're looking at $120,000 loan. I've got about a 5.85 APR, and we're looking at right around $1,700 to $1,800 a month for 72 months for the brand new 2023 Z06. Definitely not a cheap car. Definitely about almost double what I thought I was gonna pay for this car. Z06s back in the day were like 60, 70 grand. Now base 105. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that, but we got it. It's here. Can't wait to make more content for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, go ahead and hit the like button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.